Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through the things that I got in my IPSY Glam Bag and testing them out. Most of the things that you see on my face are products that I've used from the April IPSY Glam Bag. I am currently overseas, so I am kind of getting my subscriptions a little bit later, but trying to get these up as soon as possible. So this is the IPSY package that I got for April 2020. This is the bag. It's a really cute bag. I like it. This month I got 5 products, but I also got 2 add-on products. I'm going to start out by walking through the items that I got. So these are the items that were actually sent to me, that were picked out for me. The first thing that I got was this blush. It's from KALEIDO Cosmetics. It's the skin blush in Primadonna. The next thing that I was sent was the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. It's a very thick and creamy overnight mask that's supposed to leave you super hydrated. Next, I got a vitamin C primer from Kismet. I'm excited to try this out because it had little tiny shimmers inside of it. The next thing that I got was this Propolis softening toner. It's from PUREHEALS. Really excited to compare this to the toner that I got in my Allure beauty box. I also got a makeup brush, an eyeshadow blending brush from ARACELI. So those are the items that were sent to me, but as I mentioned, I got 2 add-ons. So I got this eyeshadow palette from ORYZA, and it comes with 4 really nice shades, 1 matte brown shade and 3 shimmer shades. Here are the swatches. And the last thing that I got was a mascara from BUXOM. It comes with the fluffiest applicator, so I'm also excited to try that out. So now that you've seen the products that I got in my April 2020 IPSY Glam Bag, let's go ahead and get started. So I just washed my face, that's all I did to it. The first product that I'm going to use is the PUREHEALS by Nature Village Propolis Softening Toner. I've actually already used this toner for 2 days. First day that I used it, I had a breakout going on around here and my forehead area, and as you can see, it did kind of calm down a little bit. I feel like toner is just so relaxing to put on. Put this thing on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize with my everyday moisturizer. So my IPSY bag did actually come with a moisturizer, but it's more of an overnight mask. It's the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask from Youth to the People. I think this is a really generous amount for a sampler. It's a really thick cream, and I was super worried about how my oily skin would react to that. I didn't like waking up feeling like a ball of grease, but I'm glad that it didn't start any breakouts and it didn't cause any irritation to my skin. But other than that, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I feel like this would work better for somebody who has drier skin. So next, I'm going to go in with the KISMET Pure Vitamin C Primer. While I let that sit on my face for a while, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and prime my eyelids. So far, I like everything that's on my face. There's nothing really bad about any of these products. I think the toner, in comparison to the toner I got in my Allure box, is probably around the same. I think they're both really great. I like that they didn't irritate my skin and they kind of brightened me up. Give it a 9 out of 10. Also, the primer, I like the fact that it's not sticky. It does feel kind of matte. I would also give it a 9 out of 10. And obviously, as I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the glow mask, so I like the areas from my dry skin of what it did to it, but I feel like it just kind of made me really oily and led to breakouts. So I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 10. So the next product that I'm going to be using is this Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to see what I can do with these shades. I'm only going to be using these shades for my eyeshadow today. My IPSY Glam Bag also came with this eyeshadow brush. It's from ARACELI and it's the Chiquita blending brush. First, I'm gonna go in with this cute little brown shade. Just darken my crease with this eyeshadow. Keep on darkening my outer corner with this and start to bring it in towards the center of my eyelid. I'm going to go in with one of the shimmery shades. I'm not sure which one I want to go with yet. I think I'm gonna go in with the top one. That would be this one on the top right. I'm gonna go in with my finger on this one and go ahead and put that on the center. So this palette wasn't as pigmented as I would like it to be. It also didn't have the best color payoff. As you can see, it is a little bit splotchy, which is weird. I did think the makeup brush worked really well. It blended really nicely. I would give the makeup brush a 10 out of 10, and I'd probably give the eyeshadow palette like a 6 out of 10. It was a decent palette. I'm not liking this splotchiness, but that could be because of my primer, that could be because of the brush, but So the next thing I'm going to be using from my IPSY Glam Bag is this BUXOM mascara. I'm not going to work too hard on getting the perfect lashes from this because I am going to be putting falsies on. Just applied my lashes and now I feel like I like it better. I feel like it happens a lot when I'm not really into an eye look and I put eyelashes on. It automatically makes me like it even more. I'm going to add a little bit more brightness to the inner corner of this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do my face now, and when I'm ready for the blush, I'll show you guys what that looks like. I really hope this primer doesn't let me down because it's acting kind of weird right now. It's like making me kind of cakey. I am going to go in with the blush. I really hope it works out well because it is so pretty. Ooh. Okay. We have a problem. This blush is very shiny, almost like a highlighter, and I saw it when I was swatching it, but it did appear more shimmery. But as I was kind of going into it a bit more, you can see more sparkles or shimmers in there. There's not much pink color payoff, but there is a lot of shimmer going on. Like, I don't even feel like I have to put highlight on. As you can see, there's just a lot of shimmer and not a lot of pink. And you can see this cakiness that I was talking about from, I think it's the primer, because this foundation usually gives me really nice seamless coverage, and this time it's really not. Here's the blush. I'm literally just getting a bit, and you see? It's shimmer. It's not even blush, it's shimmer. I'm not the biggest fan. Don't get me wrong, it's a pretty blush. I would wear it for a more natural look, but for looks like this, when I'm trying to do a full face, I definitely want a more bold pink color in my blush. I forgot to put mascara on my lower lashes, so let me do that really quick. Testing mascaras, what really matters is how it looks on my lower lash, because I cover my lashes with fake lashes anyways. So this is the finished look for the IPSY Glam Bag. Am I a little bit disappointed in some of the products? Yes, but did the look come out fine? It really did. So now to compare the two subscriptions for this month, I think I would say that the winner is the Allure Beauty box. It was definitely fun trying out all of the makeup items that came in the IPSY makeup bag, but I think that since there were a lot that kind of disappointed me, it turned out to be less great for this month. I'm usually not disappointed in IPSY though. They usually send me really good products, and I wouldn't say I'm overall disappointed, but some products were just a little disappointing. I had high expectations for them. Both of these subscriptions are great. I do plan on keeping both of them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!